Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about ambient lighting and how it affects your photography. Ambient lighting refers to the existing light in a scene or room. It can be natural light from the sun, or artificial light from lamps, light fixtures, or candles. Ambient lighting plays a crucial role in photography because it can drastically affect the look and feel of your photos. For example, harsh direct sunlight can create strong shadows and blown-out highlights, while soft diffused light can create a more even and flattering look. Similarly, warm artificial light can create a cozy atmosphere, while cool artificial light can create a more sterile and clinical atmosphere. Understanding ambient lighting and how it affects your photos can help you make better decisions about where and when to shoot, what time of day to shoot, and what type of lighting to use in your photos. So, if you want to take your photography to the next level, pay attention to the ambient lighting in your scenes and experiment with different lighting techniques. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more photography tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.